a bit of a dreary week ahead, huh?
I agree. We have a lot of cloud cover around, a lot of shower activity, and then the showers are going to transition into full-on rain by the end of the week, which we could use. The drought conditions have continued to worsen, but it might put a damper on Halloween as we get into that holiday weekend. But today it was another one of those dreary days. Thanks to an upper level area of low pressure, we just end up having a lot of cloud cover, temperatures below average, and that's going to continue as we get into at least tomorrow, but we'll have a bit more sunshine before we get to the middle of the week. High temperatures for today, if you were closer to the coast, temps got into the mid 50s, but areas in far northern Maine were quite on the chilly side, only a high of 40 today in Greenville. Our satellite and radar shows that upper level low is still sticking around. Right now, we do have a little bit of some clearing skies in mainly areas of York County, and that's why some temperatures there are a little bit cooler in comparison to the rest of those states for the overnight lows. But the rest of the state seeing a good bit of cloud cover and some shower activity just north of the Bangor area along I-95. So as we go into the day tomorrow, starting out with a good bit of cloud cover once again. A couple of showers around, though I think less so for most of the state during the day. The exception there will be in areas of down east Maine as we go into the evening. Might see a couple extra showers there, but still a day of more clouds than sun and high temperatures a bit below average for this time of year, only getting to the low 50s. And then we start to clear out a little bit. That upper level low finally starts to move out of our area. The small area of high pressure moves in for Tuesday and Wednesday. Therefore, Tuesday and Wednesday will have a good bit more sunshine, especially in comparison to this weekend and tomorrow. Good bit of sunshine there. We do start to increase some high clouds during the day on Wednesday, but still overall I think it'll be a pretty nice day, and then things start to change for the second half of the work week. We have this large area of low pressure that will be moving in, starting to bring precipitation between about midday and the early evening on Thursday. And then the heavy rain starts to move in for Thursday night into Friday. We've had some uncertainty with the exact timing of this system and how much rain we get because of the location of the center of low pressure, which in this case is back over in the Great Lakes. Therefore, this system will move a little bit quicker. So Thursday at 7 p.m. still seeing some rain, the heaviest rain moving in Thursday overnight into Friday. And then for Halloween, I think the forecast is right on the line. We're going to see gradual clearing during the afternoon, but I think in an area like northern Maine or down east Maine, still going to be pretty rainy for the trick-or-treaters. I think if you're in western and southern Maine, you might get away with it, but it's certainly going to have showers around. So right now, I have to play it safe. I would plan for some rain during the day on Halloween. And then this system is slow to depart, so we'll have a couple of lingering showers, especially in the mountains and in those higher elevations during the day on Saturday. So how much rain do we end up seeing from this system? I think we'll end up getting a good bit. Most of us across the state seeing an inch, even up to 2 inches in some of those heavier pockets of rain. So this should help our soil moisture a little bit. It won't completely get rid of the drought, but some rain is certainly better than no rain at all. I did also want to mention it will be pretty windy as this system goes through, especially Thursday overnight all the way through the day Saturday. Wind gusts up to about 45 miles per hour. Could see some isolated power outages because of that. Marine forecast sees 2 to 3 feet. Ocean temperature is 54. So we'll take a quick look at that 7-day forecast. So still a little bit cloudy and dreary tomorrow. Some shower activity, a lot of showers around, a lot of clouds around too. Those high temperatures will be a little bit on the cool side. A bit more sunshine for both Tuesday and Wednesday before we have some rain and some wind for the system for the second half of the week, Sam. Right now, I would say to play it safe, do plan for some rain on Halloween, but hopefully if we can get that front to move through a little bit faster, we'll clear out quick enough to get the kids out for some trick-or-treating.
All right, fingers crossed. Thanks, Dana.